Welcome back to Music at Maylands. What are we going to learn today? Our instrument this week looks a little like last week's instrument, like the recorder, but it's a bigger version. It's called a tenor recorder. Tenor recorder. It sounds different to the other recorder as well. Listen to a low note on the tenor. Listen to a high note on the tenor. You'll notice that this recorder goes higher and this recorder goes lower. That's due to their size. And this is what a tune sounds like on the tenor recorder. Today's new vocabulary is tempo. 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 Tempo is how quick or how slow a piece of music is. How quick or slow. So using our tune from earlier, we're going to play a little game of tempo. Whether it's quick or slow, you tell me whether the tempo is quick or slow. You're right, it was slow tempo. How about this time? It was a quick tempo. I managed to get through the whole song nice and quickly. Quick tempo. Last one. That was also a quick tempo. Well done. Thank you for joining me today. Enjoy singing along to this song at home.
When I'm on my own, you make me strong. You make me feel like I belong. If I lose my way, you're always there, guiding me through, and I know you care. You'll always be so very special to me, and I mean it when I say thank you in every way. Thank you, thank you, thank you for everything you do. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I wouldn't be me without you. Remembering's tough. I know I don't thank you enough, but I mean it when I say thank you in every way. T is for true friendship, H for your helping hand, A for our adventures, N that never end, K is for your kindness, S you're my guiding star, and for being who you are, I just wanna say